Welcome to Team M6's multidiscipline project presentation. My name is Dane Merkel and I'm a second year electrical engineering student. Also in Team M6 we have Xavier Ponmoon, who is a second year mechanical engineering student, Brent Rogers, who is a second year civil engineering student, and Dane Jensen, who is also a second year mechanical engineering student. This presentation outlines M6's proposed design. Team R10 requires a 5-bedroom house based in Airlie Beach, Queensland that includes an entertainment area, a deck, a garden shed, and 3 bathrooms. A pool will also be included, but will be subcontracted out, so is not included in this presentation. To accompany this presentation, Team M6 has created a project report, feasibility report, optionality report, and weekly progress reports, which have already been submitted to the client.
Several steps had to be taken during the design process to achieve our end result. The first step that was taken by the team was to evaluate the original scope sent from the client and then create our offer of services. This showed what our team M6 was willing to complete in order to cover all aspects of the scope and be able to price our work. After this was completed, research was undertaken on all necessary aspects of the project. A feasibility report was then created after gaining knowledge from research. This helped to change the scope and allow the client to understand if any aspects of the original scope were unrealistic. Once an overall understanding was made between stakeholders, the concept sketches were created, and with this feedback the final design could be made. During the site inspection, our team found that the soil classification was A, which means that it's very hard rock and there will be little ground movement. Also, surveying showed that there was a medium slope going downwards from the northern direction towards the southeasterly direction. This is quite good, as the natural slope was bringing the water or rainfall towards this side of the block, and this side of the block, is actually where the drain pipe is. Also, we found that the perimeter shown was 52, 14 meters, 50 meters, 10 meters, 11 meters, and 25 meters in this unusual sort of shape. The overall area was also 1,330 meters squared.
Hello, I'm Dan Jensen and I'm the lead designer for Team M6. As you can see, this is our first concept design and it is what the client has asked for. The client has asked for a 2-story, 5-bedroom house. As you can see, the bottom story is mainly based around the social aspects of family life. This contains an open plan kitchen and dining area, entertainment room, study, communal bathroom, laundry, and a spare bedroom. Then, once upstairs, the rest of the bedrooms can be found. Also, a main bathroom and a large deck is also found. If we come to the block plan, we can see that the house is placed on the left of the block, with the deck coming off the house. Then, the pool is placed separately from the house and the deck, and a garden shed is located in the top right of the block. Then, adjacent to the road is a carport and a small driveway. After suitable reflection and reviewing on our first concept design, our second concept design was created. As you can see, the bottom ground level floor plan is the same as the first design, but the top story floor plan has been changed around. As you can see, the deck has been made smaller, bedrooms 2 and 3 have been moved to the opposite side of the house, bedroom 4 was made smaller, and the main bedroom and bathroom also made smaller as well. This is to allow for a family private entertainment area to be made upstairs. Then also the block plan has been changed too. As you can see, the deck now extends to surround the pool, therefore combining the two together to be safer. The garden shed and the garage are now combined, and there is an extra undercover parking area for extra parking. Also, these changes in the block plan allow the backyard area to become bigger. As you can see on the screen, this is our third concept design. After reviewing and reflecting on our second concept design, it was decided that we shall swap the bottom living area with the top and the top family private area with the bottom. Beginning with the top story, as you can see, This is mainly based out as an open plan living area, provided with the main kitchen, entertainment area, and entertainment room. The reason these two were swapped around is because the top story of the house provides the best view of the surrounding local area. On to the ground floor, the main family living areas can be found, such as the main bedroom, bedrooms 2, 3, and 4, the main bathroom, and study. Also new to this design is a private family TV room and a study/spare bedroom. This is our concept design for our final set of concept sketches that were developed for our clients. This design was developed by reflecting and reviewing on our previous 3 design sketches. As you can see, the ground level is made up of the social and private aspects of the family life. This provides an open plan kitchen and dining area, the main bedroom, bathroom and the first bedroom, a study, laundry and an entertainment room. The top story of the house provides another entertainment room, the rest of the bedrooms 2, 3, 4, 5, an extra storage area and a communal bathroom. As shown here, the block plan is the same as the last 3 plans.
A standalone solar power kit will be purchased to power the garden shed. The kit will produce 1.7 kilowatts of energy per day, which is enough to power a small TV or radio, lights, and 2 power outlets. It is recommended that LED lights are used as an alternative to CFLs. LEDs are not only a more sustainable solution, but can help save money by using less power and having an average lifespan of 50,000 hours. It is estimated that $700 can be saved over the life of an LED. A 4 kilowatt solar power system will also be installed on the north end of the building. A 4 kilowatt system will produce an average of 16.8 kilowatts per day in Early Beach, which is approximately 65% of the daily power consumed. To meet Australian standards, the house will have 3 separate circuits. The first circuit will power the house's electrical outlets and will run off a 10 amp circuit breaker. The second circuit will power the house's 43 lights and include a 5 amp circuit breaker. The third circuit is dedicated to the air conditioner and will include a 15 amp circuit breaker. Table 1 shows the estimated power usage for each group of appliances. This equates to a total of 8.436 kilowatts, or a maximum of 202 kilowatt hours per day. However, it is estimated that the house will actually use an average of 25 kilowatt hours per day.
The Daikin duct air conditioning system is recommended for the house as it will have a maximum of 5.53 kilowatts of power consumption and will be able to provide suitable house cooling for both downstairs and upstairs inside the house. Not only can the air conditioning system be separated to just cool the downstairs or upstairs sections of the house, it can also easily cool all individual areas of the house. The hot water system recommended for the house is a gas hot water system with the option of a solar backup. The system has the ability to provide enough hot water for 3 adults and 2 children. Reason why the system is recommended is that it reduces the electrical usage of the house, making it more economical. There are 2 types of roller doors that is recommended for the garage and are products of Best Doors. The first door is called Roll-A-Door. It is strong, durable, as well as being cost effective. The second door is called the Enviro Panel Door. This door is a thermal insulated steel door. This thermal barrier helps to improve the energy efficiency of the house as it helps to keep the house cool in summer and warm in winter. Both doors meet the Australian standards.
The civil considerations that were needed for the project is here: the landscape design, a site survey, drainage design, native plant considerations, and a footing design. The footing design is shown in the bottom right corner here. This footing design is taken directly from the Australian standards, as all specifications of the house meet this footing design. The landscape design was quite tricky due to the block's unusual shape. The house in the north easterly side is shown here. The house's garage here has direct access to the road through the driveway, which is located here. There is also a small garden at the front of the house to demonstrate the native Australian plants they have to offer. There is a walkway going from the driveway straight to the house door. At the bottom here you will see the 2-bay shed, which has enough room to house a medium to large size boat and also plenty of extra space for garden tools or any other equipment. There is also a large driveway going directly from the shed towards the road. Here, labelled 3, is another garden. It is 4 medium-sized trees and 1 large tree for good shade protection during hot summer days. All these trees will also offer extra security and privacy from your neighbours on the bottom. Along the western wall you will see that there is also a small garden here. This garden has several small bushes and small trees that flower beautifully during summer. Right here on the side of the house you will also see a balcony. The balcony or deck will have 2 doors going either towards an open garden and open yard space, or back here, which will lead to a walkway going into the pool. The pool is quite large and not exactly rectangular to suit the actual block size. Also you will see that there is a small garden next to the pool for a bit more security and privacy. Another main aspect of the civil specification was the drainage design. This picture here shows the original slope of the block. You can easily see that there is a slope going downwards towards the southwesterly side. To counteract this, as you need to have a very flat surface for the house and the shed, figure 10 here shows all the earth preparation required. This part of the actual block will need to be soil removed, and here is where soil will be placed. This will hopefully allow for a flat area for the house and the pool and also the shed. Figure 9, the water's drainway pathway, shows where the water will fall when rain occurs. Here you can see that water will be going down this little pathway into the main backyard. Through the backyard, the original slope will still be mainly there, which will go towards the western side where the block drainage will be located.
The downstairs section of the house is more of a living area for the family, with the entertainment room to the left, main bathroom placed to the right of the entertainment room, with the main bedroom placed to the front section of the house for security reasons, with the first bedroom, study and laundry placed behind the main bedroom. The downstairs also has an open plan kitchen overlooking the deck. The upstairs section is a more private living area, consisting of 3 bedrooms, a storage room, a TV room which is located in the front section of the house, with a more convenient toilet upstairs, and a deck overlooking the pool and garden. Here is a 3D representation of the final design.
As you can see, the proposed house not only meets the client's requirements, but will also provide a sustainable living environment that you and your family will enjoy each and every day. We'd like to thank you for choosing Team M6 and look forward to working with you again in the future.